Oh, sorry. Hello. So guys, in this video I want to show you zile vitu zenye hapa home tunapanda mostly. So guys, for those who are new here, my name is Kwambuka. I'm the is.Nature CEO. I'm the founder of the is.Nature. Guys, let me take this opportunity first to thank you so much, Manze, for the support you are giving us. Guys, I'll not take this for granted. Sijui niseme nini, but thank you so much. Thank you sana. Keep on supporting us, keep on supporting the is.Nature. You know, without you people we cannot learn a YouTube channel, but because you are there for us, we have been moving, na tuta move, and we have that hope tutafika mbali. So guys, today I just saw it's good. I go and okay. I want to introduce some of our crops that we plant mostly in our village, or you know where I come from. Moja kwa moja nitawapeleka niwaonyeshe what we normally plant, the crops that you know, the common crops that we plant at home. You know, I'm very excited being at home. You know, it's an amazing place. You know, if you look at how it looks like, you know, I'm very happy. I'm very excited to meet my old friends. You know, to meet my family. You know, this whole day, I wanna show you, you know, good things. I'm going to show you good things, and so guys, keep tuned as we are going to keep on entertaining you with comedy, with, you know, full of content. If you have not subscribed or subscribed, my good people, kindly subscribe. Wacha nikule mapera kidogo. Wow. So guys, let's go and see the common plants that we plant here at home. I'm at home within Kisii County. I'm not going to tell you more about that. That one is for the next video. So guys, let's go one by one. Come, I show you. So guys, this is napier grass. We have a project for you know, we have you know, livestock production here at home. So this is part of the napier grass that we plant. Zingine ziko pale juu, almost 5 acres. So this is some of them. Sisi ni wakulima wa chai. Hii ni chai from here mpaka pale mwisho. Kuna chai nyingine pale chini, which is almost 2 acres. So let me show you another piece. Come my people, I show you. I'm so happy, I'm so excited to be at home. You know, the amazing place, you know, beautiful, you know, how, you know, the nature, you know. So guys, let's go. Come. My people, come. Let me show you. Let's go, come. So guys, we plant the fruits. Here, the purpose. It's ready for the harvest. So you can see how sweet it is. So you can imagine how the beautiful place it is. So guys, let's go. Hii ni chai yote. So you can see how the amazing place it is. Here is the best. These are our sugarcane. I think in the next 1 month it will be ready for the harvest. Huh? See how we were so hard working. See how, you know, you can look at that. So I'm advertising this. Whoever who is doing this business, if you're ready for this, you can contact me. So my number is below that, you know, that video. You can just look at that. So guys, this sugarcane, they are over 5 acres. They are over 5 acres. So whoever who is doing this business, you can just come and we can talk. We can talk, and I'll give you the sugarcane for, you know, because I think in the next 1 month they are ready for the harvest, guys. Let me show you something else. Let's go. Come.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
So guys, nataka niwaonyeshe where I come from. We are so hard working. Sisi ni watu tunapenda kazi. Onyesha watu kazi yako. Wasiseme unafanya wash. So guys, you can see what we do at home. So we are not that, you know, we are so hard working. So guys, let's go. I'll show you something else. Let's go.
Let's go.
Come, my people. Come. Meanwhile, for those who have not subscribed, kindly subscribe. Share this video. Because I love you so much. Come.
Come.
Come.